So earlier in the week we showed you the removal of the cup from this bottom bracket shell, and today we're going to be using this to clean up before we reinstall a new Shimano bottom bracket. Here's the tool fully assembled, ready to go into the bottom bracket shell, and here's the tool mounted into the shell, making sure to use plenty of cutting oil. We're going to give it one turn, quarter of the weight, and back to clean up that thread. And back. Half a turn forwards, and back a quarter. Half a turn forwards, and back a quarter. And we'll keep going until we've chased out that thread. And then we take care to remove them at the same time together, so that we don't damage the threads that we've just cleaned. So with the bushing installed on the drive side, we can now face the non-drive side with the milling tool. And so there it is, the faced shell, clean threads, both sides, ready for the new external bottom bracket. And all that's left now is to torque up the cups with a high quality torque wrench. One side, and so now we have the external Shimano bottom bracket ready for a new crank.